So just a quick brief outline. If I had to test 10 questions and I had 3 readiness standards and 1 supporting standard. And I'm just creating my outline. So I'm going to quickly just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is going to represent my 10 questions. I have 3 readiness and 1 supporting, so I'm going to make the following key. I'm going to have, this is my readiness, so I'm actually going to delete that. I'm going to go A for my first standard. So AS, then I'm going to do for my next one, B, that's my second standard. C is my third standard, and D is my fourth standard. Its readiness, I want to give it 3 questions because I'm looking for mastery. So I'm going to go question 1, 2, and 3. For the B, question 1, 2, and 3. Question C, 1, 2, and 3. D is a supporting. So most of my D, I could either put it in here and I can give this a 4th question if I think this is a multi-step, or I can just test that on my own. For the sake of this outline, I'm just going to do 1 and test it on my own. So then I'm going to plug in up here. I have not leveled my questions yet. I'm going to show you when I do that. But I'm just going to sit here and say I'm going to start off and just go in AS1, AS2, AS3. Now I have these taken care of. I'm going to go BS1, BS3, I'm just going random, and BS2. I am going to go CS1, CS, I'm going to put it up here, CS3, CS2, and I'm going to do my DS1 here. So now I've broken down my standards in a fair test where they're all mixed up. Now I'm going to level out my questions. I have a level 1, level 2, level 3. I want to try to give myself a fair split, so I'm looking at my CSCS here, and I'm going to say, okay, I actually never start a test with a level 1 question because we have to get our kids used to endurance. And if they see a hard question, they tend to give up. And so that's why we want to give them an easy question, but I actually work harder because if you notice, a lot of tests actually end out with a level 1 here or maybe a level 1 here. And so I try to make sure that I mirror that. So the CS is definitely starting at a 2. So I have CS1, 2 done. I'm going to go with a level 1 here, a level 1 here. I want to do 1 level 3. I might actually, for this quiz, if it's just like a quiz with 10, I might just have 1 level 3 and have it weighted more. But I'm going to do a definitely, this one is the LS2. So since my CS1 and CS2 are level 2s, I want to make sure that my CS3 is a level 1 or a level 3. You don't want to keep them all the same. So I have a BS2 level 1 here, BS1, BS3 level 1. I have 2 BS level 1s. So I'm definitely going a level 2 here. And that's very strategic, and I want to make sure I know that. My supporting standard is going to be a level 2. And then I'm going to turn around and do AS1, AS3. My AS2 is a level 3, so I'm going to give them, let me count it, a level 1. I might be change that, and a level 3. How many level 1s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 10 questions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 out of 10 for my level 1, 4 out of 10 for my level 2. So do I have 2? I have 2 level 3s. I think that's a very fair assessment, and I will go ahead and create now my questions.